Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest review of Tailor Brands LLC services and whether it's actually worth it in 2026. First, let's understand what Tailor Brands is. It's an online platform that helps you start and manage a business, including LLC formation, branding tools, logo design, and website creation. So it's not just an LLC service, it's more like an all-in-one business toolkit. Now, let's talk about LLC formation. Tailor Brands makes the process very simple for beginners. You just answer a few questions about your business, like name, state, and industry, and it automatically prepares and files your LLC documents. This is great if you don't want to deal with complicated forms yourself. One of the biggest advantages is ease of use. The platform is very beginner-friendly, with a clean interface and step-by-step guidance. Even if you have no experience, you can set up your LLC without confusion. Now let's look at features. Along with LLC formation, you also get access to logo design tools, branding kits, domain registration, and website builders. This is useful if you're starting from scratch and want everything in one place. However, here's something important. Tailor Brands works on a subscription model. While the initial LLC formation may seem affordable, many features require ongoing monthly or yearly payments. This can add up over time, especially if you're on a tight budget. Another point is pricing transparency. Some users feel that extra costs, like registered agent services or compliance tools, are not always clearly explained up front. So it's important to review the full pricing before purchasing. Now, let's look at pros. It's very easy to use, fast setup, all-in-one business tools, and good for beginners who want convenience. On the downside, it can be more expensive than filing directly with your state, and the subscription model may not suit everyone. Customer support is generally decent, but response times can vary depending on demand. Some users report quick help, while others mention delays. So who should use Tailor Brands? If you're a beginner who wants a simple, guided process and additional branding tools, it can be a good choice. But if you want the cheapest option and don't mind doing things manually, filing directly with your state may be better. Tailor Brands is a convenient and modern platform for starting a business, but you should carefully consider the ongoing costs before deciding if it's the right fit for you. Subscribe the channel for more videos.